When a verb in an active voice indicated an order, a request, and an advice, the verb let is employed to convert it into passive voice. The sentence, shut the door, is a command. The sentence, help the orphans, is an advice. The sentence, please bring me a glass of water, is a request. Rules. 1. Imperative sentence begins with the word let. 2. The word be is used as an auxiliary verb in passive voice. 3. First form verb changes into the third form of verb. 4. Object changes into subject. Here's an example how we change active voice into passive voice for imperative sentences. First we use let, then the object the bell will become subject and is placed after the verb let. Then we use be, and finally, we use third form of the verb. Here are some imperative sentences. Do it. Let it be done. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Write a letter. Let a letter be written. Polish my shoes. Let my shoes be polished. Do it for me. Let it be done for me. Please do not disturb him. Let him not be disturbed, please.